Hey there, science fans! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of databases, a cornerstone of modern data management. So what exactly is a database? Think of it like a really organized filing cabinet for information, but way more powerful and versatile. This information is stored in a structured way, making it easy to find, retrieve, and use whenever needed. Databases are made up of tables, kind of like spreadsheets but with much more functionality and scalability. Each table has rows and columns, which help in organizing the data efficiently. Rows hold information about a single item, like a customer, a product, or any entity you can think of. Columns represent different attributes of that item, such as their name, address, price, or any other relevant detail. Imagine a database for a library. It would be a digital catalog of all the books available. Each book would have its own row, containing all the necessary details about it. The columns would include the book's title, author, ISBN, and maybe even whether it's checked out or not. See? Organized and efficient. Databases help us store and manage large amounts of data, from small personal collections to massive corporate datasets. They make it easy to search, sort, and filter information, ensuring you can quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're running a business, conducting research, or just trying to keep track of your movie collection, databases are essential tools. They bring order to chaos and make data management a breeze. Now, managing a database can get pretty complex. That's where database management systems, or DBMS, come in. A DBMS is like the software that runs your database. It provides the tools to create, modify, and access your data. Think of a DBMS as the librarian of your data. It helps you organize, retrieve, and protect your valuable information. Without a DBMS, you'd be lost in a sea of data. DBMS software offers several key functions. It allows you to create and define the structure of your database. You can add, delete, or modify data within the database. It enables you to search and retrieve specific data based on certain criteria. And importantly, it helps you control access and ensure data security. From small personal databases to massive corporate systems, DBMS software plays a vital role in managing information effectively and efficiently. Just like there are different types of cars for different needs, there are various DBMS options available. Each DBMS has its own strengths and is suited for different purposes. One popular option is Microsoft Access. It's relatively user-friendly and great for smaller databases. If you're working on a personal project or managing data for a small business, Access is a good choice. For larger, more complex databases, you might consider MySQL or PostgreSQL. These are open-source systems known for their reliability and scalability. They're often used in web applications and enterprise-level systems. Then there's Oracle Database, a powerful system widely used by large corporations and organizations. Oracle is known for its robustness, security features, and ability to handle massive amounts of data. Choosing the right DBMs depends on several factors, including the size and complexity of your data, your budget, and technical expertise. Sometimes you might want to combine the power of a database with the familiarity of a spreadsheet. Good news! You can actually connect Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Access. Let's say you have customer data in an Excel spreadsheet. You can import that data into an Access database, creating a more structured and manageable system. You can even link the two so changes you make in one program are reflected in the other. To connect Excel to Access, you can use the Get External Data feature in Access. It allows you to import data from various sources, including Excel spreadsheets. You can choose to import the data once or create a live link that updates automatically. Connecting Excel to Access lets you leverage the strengths of both tools. You can use Excel's familiar interface for data entry, and then analyze and report on that data using Access's more powerful features. This integration is particularly useful for businesses that need to manage large datasets efficiently. By linking Excel and Access, you can ensure data consistency and reduce the risk of errors. This setup also allows for more advanced data manipulation and querying capabilities that Excel alone might not handle as efficiently. So, whether you're managing customer information, sales data, or inventory, connecting Excel to Access can streamline your workflow and enhance your data management capabilities. Section 5, File Structure Analysis. When designing a database, it's crucial to think about its structure. How you organize your data can impact its efficiency and usability. Let's analyze file structures and identify potential issues. Remember rows and columns? Each row represents a record, and each column represents a field. For example, in an employee database, a row would be an employee, and fields would be their name, address, and job title. One common problem is sorting issues. If you have a large database, sorting through hundreds or thousands of records can be time-consuming. Indexing certain fields can significantly speed up searches and sorts. Another issue is data redundancy. This occurs when the same information is stored in multiple places. For example, if you have a customer's address stored in multiple tables, it can lead to inconsistencies and errors. Section 6. Addressing redundancy issues. Redundancy might seem harmless, but it can cause big problems. If you update information in one place but not the other, you end up with conflicting data. Talk about a headache. The solution? Separate tables. Instead of cramming all your data into one giant table, break it down into smaller, more manageable tables. Each table should focus on a specific entity, like projects, employees, or jobs. For instance, you could have a projects table with information about each project, an employees table with employee details, and a jobs table listing job titles and descriptions. You can then link these tables using a common field, such as an employee ID. This approach eliminates redundancy and ensures data consistency. It also makes your database more flexible and easier to maintain. Plus, it prevents those pesky data conflicts from driving you batty. Section 7. The importance of data management. Data is everywhere. But raw data alone isn't very useful. It's like having all the ingredients for a cake but not knowing how to bake it. That's where data management comes in. Data management is the process of collecting, storing, organizing, and interpreting data. It's about turning raw data into meaningful information that we can use to make better decisions. Think of data management as the recipe book that helps you transform raw ingredients into a delicious cake. It provides the framework and tools to turn data into valuable insights. Effective data management is crucial for any organization, big or small. It allows businesses to understand their customers, optimize operations, and gain a competitive edge. It empowers researchers to make groundbreaking discoveries and solve complex problems. Section 8. Data's journey. From information to wisdom. Data itself is just the starting point. Through a process of transformation, we can elevate data to higher levels of understanding. First, we have information. This is data that has been processed and organized to be meaningful. For example, raw sales figures become information when we analyze them to identify sales trends. Next, information can be synthesized into knowledge. This involves connecting different pieces of information to gain a deeper understanding. For instance, combining sales data with marketing campaign data can reveal which campaigns are most effective. Finally, knowledge can lead to wisdom. Wisdom is the ability to use knowledge to make sound judgments and decisions. It's about seeing the bigger picture and understanding the long-term implications of our actions. Section 9. Data in action, decision-making, and forecasting. So how does all this data stuff translate into real-world applications? Let's dive deeper into the practical uses of data in various sectors. Data-driven decision-making is becoming increasingly important in today's world. Organizations are leveraging data to gain insights and make informed choices. Businesses use data to understand customer behavior, optimize pricing strategies, and personalize marketing campaigns. This helps them stay competitive and meet customer needs more effectively. Healthcare providers analyze patient data to improve diagnoses, personalize treatments, and enhance patient care. This leads to better health outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. They also track the spread of diseases, enabling quicker responses to outbreaks and better public health strategies. Data also plays a crucial role in forecasting future trends. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, we can anticipate what might happen next. This predictive power is invaluable in planning and strategy development across various industries. We can make predictions about future events, helping businesses and organizations prepare and adapt. This is used in various fields from weather forecasting to financial modeling. Accurate predictions can save lives, resources, and money. Data empowers us to make more informed decisions, anticipate future challenges, and create innovative solutions. It drives progress and innovation. As we continue to generate and collect vast amounts of data, our ability to manage and interpret it will become even more critical. The future will be data-driven. Our success will depend on how well we can harness this data to make smarter decisions and drive innovation. So let's embrace the power of data and use it to shape a brighter future. Together, we can unlock the full potential of data to create a better world.